The future of VR has been many years in the making. Oculus Rift came out in 2016. I've got right here the Oculus Quest, which is Facebook's latest totally standalone VR headset that's available now, and it costs $399. You don't need a PC with this. It's wireless. It's got self-contained controllers that are kind of like the things you play on consoles or PCs. So let's take a look. Kind of looks like a game console here. So it's a big box, bigger than the Oculus Go, which came out last year for $200. Let's just take a look at this. It's all plastic wrapped. So we're about to open this up, show some of the games you can get on here. Vader Immortal, Sports Scramble, Harmonix Dance Central, Creed Rise to Glory. Let's just open this, right? This is the 64 gigabyte model with internal storage. And I don't know what's in here. I assume it's an Oculus. Let's open this up. Should do that. Let's just find a nice area to open that up. There we go. Try not to scratch that box too much. There we go. Okay. Much less shiny. So, this is the box. And let's see. Is it a slider? It's a slider. Okay. So we'll take off that part here. Now, I've been really curious about this headset because standalone VR has been around, but it hasn't allowed full room tracking to the degree that this allows, which really feels like you've got, game console and full controls. So let me take this over here and let's just move this over to this side. So this box is a lot like the first Oculus Rift. Matte black, super minimal. There's the logo. I'm gonna open this up. Feels very dramatic and, ooh, nicely packaged. It's just centralized right there. It's self-contained. Let's take this little box out here, which looks like it's got all the accessories. And this is the Quest. Now, the arms on the sides are stiff. It looks like a smaller version of the Rift. These are the tracking cameras here. And if you turn it around here, it says, before you start, install the Oculus app. That's the little cover on top of the lenses, and the lenses have their own little plastic wrap, which I'm going to keep on because I don't want to smudge them up yet. So there's that. Now here are a pair of Oculus Touch controllers. Now, the Oculus Touch controllers that are available for the Oculus Rift on PC, these are redesigned versions. These will also work with the new Oculus Rift S for PC. So these are literally the same as the PC controllers. And they have, I'm holding them upside down, they have triggers, they have buttons, they have analog sticks. These also have vibration feedback, and they also will register whether you move your fingers up or down. So you can actually grab things just like you can with the Oculus Rift if you've used that before. Feel nice. Now, as far as putting batteries in, they take AA batteries, I believe. So if you slide that open, you do have to put batteries in. Let's take those and put them over here. And that's it for this box. Let's see what other goodies they included in the little mini box here. I assume a charger. There you go. So it is a USB-C charger, pretty standard. And this, in case you don't know, is a spacer. This is for if you have glasses. There's a little glasses icon there. You can put this inside the Oculus Quest headset and give yourself a little more room for big glasses like this. Now with the Oculus Go, it worked with my glasses just fine without the spacer, but we'll have to see. Definitely don't break that, don't lose that. And here is the pretty long charge cable. So I'll open this up. Unhook the USB-C cable. It's also just nice to have an extra long USB-C cable if you need one of those. And let's open, boy, I did a terrible job with that. Let's just open this up here. And this cable is long enough that you could actually keep this plugged in while using it, although ideally you wouldn't. You could wander a pretty large space with Oculus Quest, technically unlimited, although you'll draw your boundary in the room to keep you safe. One side here is a standard connection. This one's a little L-shaped because I'm sure that's the one that goes into the headset itself and keeps it a little more flush, like that. So anything else in this box? Let's just cable this up for a moment. Put this over here and move those over there. Tuck those over here. And inside here, oh look, they gave us AA batteries. That's very considerate. So you don't even have to hunt for ones in your home or go to your drugstore or whatever. So AA batteries, and inside here, reference guide, which tells you basic controller functions, headset fit advice, glasses spacer, headset care. By the way, keep it away from sunlight. I learned that last year when direct sunlight burned a spot on the screen of my headset when it faced the sun. That's what happens with high-powered lenses. And setup, instructions, the giant safety and warranty manual to be browsed through at another time. And that is, looks like it's it. Did they put any glasses cloth in here? I don't think they did. BYO glasses cloth. Just take care of your lenses. That's the thing, is that you may get dust on them. You might have to clean them at some point. There's no carrying case here. But that is the Oculus Quest. We're gonna be doing a lot more with it coming soon. I'm gonna be wearing it on my head. I'm gonna be reviewing games with it. But if you wanna see what this feels like, I'm just gonna put this on. Let's just see what happens here. Here's the, oh, this is the lens adjuster to create different, it's called interpupillary distance, IPD, to make sure it's fitting right with your eyes. And here's volume buttons on the bottom. Here's a headphone jack. It's got one of those. And it's actually got 2 headphone jacks. Very interesting. I think those are 2 headphone jacks. And let's move the Velcro here, get this on my face. And you can adjust all these Velcro straps here to get the right fit. But the Quest is a pretty stiff, I mean, that's not gonna fold down, so you wanna pack it carefully. Put it on, and I would be ready to go if this were booted up and set up, which it's not yet. But this is Oculus Quest, full motion, VR, standalone, and I will be reviewing it. Check out the video. I'm Scott Stein, thanks for watching.